In today's video, I will teach you how to copy and paste edits in Lightroom. Let's get started. Lightroom allows photographers to save time by copying edits from one photo and applying them to others. This feature is especially useful when working on a batch of photos taken in similar lighting conditions or settings. And here's how to copy and paste edits in Lightroom effectively. First, open Lightroom, then go to Develop module or edit the image directly in Edit mode. Then make the necessary adjustments to the first photo. For example, you can adjust the exposure, contrast, or white balance. Then apply cropping or transformations, and add color grading or other advanced edits. And once you're satisfied with the edits, we can now copy the edits. Here's how to do it in Lightroom Classic. First, click the Edit menu in the top bar and choose Copy, or press Ctrl-Shift-C or Command-Shift-C on your keyboard. A pop-up window will appear showing all the adjustments that you made. Then select the adjustments that you want to copy by checking or unchecking specific options like basic adjustments, crop, or split toning. Then click Copy. And you can now paste the copied settings onto one or multiple photos. To paste it onto a single photo, select the target photo in the library or Develop module. Then press Ctrl-Shift-V or Command-Shift-V, or click the Edit menu and select Paste. And after pasting, you can review the changes on each photo and adjust further if necessary. Some adjustments like cropping or spot removal may require fine-tuning for individual images. With these steps, you can seamlessly copy and paste edits across photos, saving time while maintaining consistency in your workflow. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.